In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix a 500 error on Hostinger step by step. If you've opened your website and suddenly seen the message 500 internal server error, don't panic. This is one of the most common website errors, and in most cases, it can be fixed in just a few minutes once you know where to look. The error usually happens because of a corrupted file, incorrect permissions, plugin conflicts, or PHP configuration limits. I'll walk you through the exact troubleshooting process inside the Hostinger dashboard so you can get your website back online quickly. This method works especially well for WordPress websites hosted on Hostinger, but the same checks can also fix many other websites. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and hosting tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. The first step is to log into your Hostinger dashboard. Once you're inside your Hostinger account, click on the Websites section. Here you'll see a list of all the websites connected to your hosting account. Find the website that's showing the 500 error and click Dashboard to open its management panel. Inside the dashboard, scroll until you find the Files section. Then click on File Manager. This will open the file system of your website where all your website files are stored. Once File Manager opens, go into the folder called public_html. This is the main root folder where your website runs from. One of the most common causes of a 500 internal server error is a corrupted htaccess file. Inside the public_html folder, look for a file called htaccess. If you see it, right-click it and rename it to something like htaccessold. Renaming the file temporarily disables it and allows your website to generate a new one later. After renaming it, try reloading your website in a new browser tab. If the site loads normally, then the htaccess file was the issue, and WordPress can automatically generate a new one when you resave your permalinks later. If the error is still there, don't worry, we'll continue with the next fix. The next thing we want to check is the PHP memory limit. Sometimes the 500 error happens because your website doesn't have enough PHP memory to run scripts or plugins. To increase it, go back to your Hostinger dashboard and open the Advanced section. Then click on PHP configuration. Inside this page, you'll see several PHP settings including the memory limit. Increase the PHP memory limit to a higher value, such as 256 MB or higher if it's currently set lower. After saving the changes, refresh your website again and see if the error is gone. If you're running a WordPress site and the problem started after installing a plugin or theme, a plugin conflict could also cause the 500 error. To test this, go back to File Manager and open the wp-content folder inside public_html. Then find the plugins folder and rename it to plugins-disabled. This temporarily disables all WordPress plugins at once. Now refresh your website. If the site loads correctly, it means one of your plugins was causing the problem. You can then rename the folder back to plugins and disable plugins individually to find the one causing the error. Another important thing to check is file permissions. Incorrect permissions can prevent the server from accessing files properly and trigger a 500 error. In Hostinger File Manager, check that your folders are set to permission 755 and your files are set to 644. If they are different, you can adjust them directly inside the File Manager settings. Correct permissions ensure your server can read and execute files securely. If you've tried all these steps and the error still appears, the final solution is restoring a backup. Hostinger automatically creates backups for most hosting plans. To restore one, go back to your website dashboard and navigate to the File section again. Then click on Backups. From here, you can select a previous backup from before the error started and restore your website. This can instantly fix issues caused by broken updates or corrupted files. And that's it. Those are the most effective ways to fix a 500 internal server error on Hostinger. In most cases, the issue will be a corrupted htaccess file, a plugin conflict, incorrect permissions, or a PHP memory limit that's too low. If this video helped you fix your website, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more hosting, WordPress, and website troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.